If you want to create a bootable USB drive with Windows 10 on it so that you can use that USB device to update Windows on another computer, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. It's a very easy process. You can create a bootable USB flash drive, and that bootable USB flash drive can then be used to update Windows on a new computer. First things first, you need to go to google.com and type Windows 10 download. You can also click Windows 10 download 64-bit if you want to download a 64-bit version. If you want to download 32-bit, same thing, just type 32-bit and it'll open as search results. The second result in my case is Windows 10 download, so I'll go ahead and quickly click on it and it'll open up a new window. On this window, you're going to see a couple of options. The first option is to update Windows 10 and the second option is create Windows 10 installation media. I'm going to use this option. It says download now. When I click download now, I'll get a couple of options. The first option is update Windows. That's not relevant to us in this particular scenario. We'd go with the second option that will clearly say create a USB flash drive. In case of Windows 10, the minimum requirement is 8 gigabytes. So make sure that your flash drive is at least 8 gigabytes. Connect it to your computer before you start this process. In my case, as you guys can see, I'm already doing this. I am currently creating a USB flash drive, which is 8 gigabytes. So once that is created, it is going to install this Windows, create a bootable USB drive and install it onto my flash drive. And if you want to see, this is my flash drive that I'm currently using to install my Windows on. So this is 7.45 gigabytes free of 7.45 gigabytes. So this is an empty drive. When this is done, when this process completes, it'll start updating files onto this drive. I've already selected this drive. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments section. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.